Here we have to find the Thevenin equivalent circuit with respect to terminals A and B for the circuit shown in figure 4. And here, right off the bat, we can see that there are two meshes here, so I1 current and I2 current going through there. And there's no current in this one because it is open right here, and we have V Thevenin going across A and B. So here we have, since there are two meshes, and you can also circle the nodes and the essential nodes and essential branches to find how many equations you will need. But here we can see that we need two simultaneous equations and we have two unknowns. So here I went through mesh 1 and did that equation. These are my two mesh equations here. And I was able to plug both of these equations into my calculator, and I got that I1 is equal to 3 amps and I2 is equal to 0.6 amps. And from there, I can see that V Thevenin is equal to V 8 ohm plus V 20 ohm, because here we see that V Thevenin is going across the 8 ohm and 20 ohm resistor. So then I used V is equal to IR for both of these separate ones. So I did 0.6 amps times 8 ohms plus 3 amps times 20 ohms, and I got for my V Thevenin that it is 64.8 volts. Next, to find R Thevenin, you have to create a short across where the V Thevenin was, so across the A and the B terminals here. And so I cut that off there. And now we can see that there are three meshes. So there's I1, I2, and I3. So we have to do the whole process again because it is going to be a bit different. These equations will change a little bit now that there is a third unknown variable. And we can see that our I source here is going, or ISC is going down here. So here I created my three mesh equations, and I plugged all three of these equations into my calculator, and I got that I1 is equal to 12.72 amps, I2 is equal to 6 amps, and I3 is equal to 10.8 amps. And from here we can see that ISC is equal to I3, so I just wrote that down as that's equal to 10.8 amps. And R Thevenin is found by putting V Thevenin over ISC, and I put 64.8 volts over 10.8 amps, and I got 6 ohms for R Thevenin. And here I made the Thevenin equivalent circuit.